Christian Youth Group, UCCP, United Church of Christ in the Philippines. Group of Christians.
CYF is a fellowship of youth people in which we are united by our faith, and we share our ups and downs, and we help each other and strive na para kita tanan maka-reach kita ang goal na ilaton faith much closer at God.
Hi guys, musta? Me here. CYF is a group of people who gather every Sunday, not only Sunday. Yeah, young people pala. Young pa ako ha, kamukuan. Young pa ako.
Young people.
Anyways, a group of people who gathers every Sunday to have fellowship. Really ordinary fellowship, but this is a fellowship that gathered so that to know more about God, to show the talents of every CYF. Kung sino man ay yung ada, mga karit kumanta, mag-play music, guitar, or any musical instruments. Ka-join us. Anyways, di rin niya parang ordinary barkadahan. We grow together as Christian. We grow together with Jesus besides us. Parang we walk with God, with Jesus pala. Then, ano pa ba? Yes, hamula. Thank you.
CYF is a group of young people na in their life focus nila God compared to other students or young people na katula klase then uli then balik na naman. Tapos may talent, wow! with spreading the word of God through music and through words.
CYF, para kami group of young people at church. In a fellowship, preparing nila na maging sunod na leaders ng church, particularly CCP or kunhain pa man nila ng mga churches.
CYF for me is a group of young people which they focus more on God and they prioritize sharing the word of God. With CYF is also can be also called as our family because you can open up with them, and it's more like your brothers and sisters. You share anything to them because
There are no major problem.
yeah. Being a CYF officer, since I'm a student, it's very hard work because we need to balance our studies with the responsibility of being an officer. Pero, yakan pa man, nothing is impossible if you trust in the Lord. So, bakit maski you feel like giving up na, it's okay la kay you know nga God is always there. Tapos adi man it's CYF to catch you if you're gonna fall na. For me, struggle kay dapat marang mo mag-responsibility mo tayo. As an officer, dapat mag-responsible ka kung ano man ang ginagagay mo nga na. Bisan struggle in mamay ko talaga nga, I'm doing this for God, serving Him. So, nawawalang pagkakaroon kay nangadaan nga akong mind nga I'm doing this because may purpose din ko kaya ako naman naging officer sa CYF. So, Yohan ka kasi matagit niya nga dahil sa ako.
Being a CYF officer and a student at the same time is quite difficult for me. Especially, dire lang bakay nursing, pero may schedules kasi na talaga na nagkaka-conflict. Pero as much as possible, kung kaya isingit, makaligod talaga sa church. So, na-observe ko gihapon nga, iba gihapon students na nagpupuri kay may conflict. Pero, asya lang na-overcome kay para hit aton desire kay para maka-serve. Matry talaga kita nga pagkadi para ma-serve anaton position na nangaliha aton.
As a student, oh sorry, dili na nga ako student. But before, I was not a student before, and being an officer, a CYF officer, medyo makurihiya kasi you have to balance your time. Especially if you're the president. But right now, dili tayo masyado makuri kay we have our youth pastor. And being a CYF officer, it has a great responsibility. So, hinatan nila na, ano to? With great power comes with great responsibility. So, amo ito, tinuod ito hiya, nakuha ko na ito na singunta na experience. Also, may dagyap niya, may bad side, good side, but most of it, good side. Because you're not serving the people, but you're serving God as being an officer. You don't please people, but you please God on what you're doing as being a CYF officer.
CYF officer as a student. Struggle. Very, 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 very struggle. Struggle. Okay. Struggle. Very struggle. Pero along the way, as a CYF officer, nag-grow ka as a student and a disciple of Christ. Kung hindi naman tayo gusto maging officer, good luck and I wish you the best. You can do it. Yeah!
Epic fail.
Epic fail.
Para ako yung pinakaon na presidente may taon na.
The son of the president of Bill
Epic fails. Like showing it there's a friendly sa COF. Ay, di ba? Sure. Sana yung mga sure sa friendly, di ba? Okay. Siyempre, hindi kita na-promote din. May mga witchcraft, that's sort. Tapos tuwag ko lang ako nakita nga les, yung ganda akong movie. So,
that thing.
kumenta ko niya sa iba na activity. Parang nalap yung showing, bakit kita turmihan in terms of ng iba-iba. Parang nakikita mag-evangelist.
Mga di rin nadadayon na mga meetings. Nagpla-plan yung meeting, pero ginubo, and it na itabo, mo rin nalagod na itabo na meeting. And ito late na nag-aabot, late na mag-start it activity.
Epic fail, CYF, Sunday BS. Ako ang matuka and naghatag ako naghatag ako yung pag-una song ng CYF. Nagtuwa kami. Nakaya singer, pati backup singer lagi ako. Kasi hindi man memorize at kanta sa rhythm or something. Pagtukar ko, wala ko rin nakanta. Ang mga jeans, nagkikinita lang. And Manila Paper, nagbibinasa, pero wala rin nakanta. Nag-struggle na. Amulat ko, maningul bakan ko.
This year, may some instances na kamaylahin problems sa kulanghin cooperation nga example, may himuon kita ito nga day or ito nga event. Usually, kutila is nakakadto. Tapos, kutila na participate, na bullying. Tapos may naghihapon nga meetings, fellowship na sugadhan, nagkamay na katahan movie na lagi na nga may danto mga bata and moving up Bruce Almighty, tapos unconsciously na may dangayan mga direct pwede nga parts. So, dapat ginitingan na niya ito. Tapos, sometimes ihapon, napapansin ko nga nagpapasa-pasa na lahi noon, sugad ang person dapat asya din iya trabaho pero nangangadinala usa kay dili get available pero bagas dili gud la nahihin mo kay ambot na reason.
Para ako I'm guilty. At nagod ako nga tunga rin maginatan last day na rin acoustic night. Ako gano'n ako pagkatan. Pero nabalitaan mo na sila nga na. Dutigal ko na rin natin na tumawig. So I feel sad. Kay, basta ako rin ako rin maginatan. Kay, I know may reason kay studies. Naman yung take on kay week ba na to. At full week at to. Tapos naman di sa school. So, paro ka na si YF, mga student. So, damo ko rin lang para ako na mo din. Epic fail.
Pump before, and now actually currently nahitabo. Usually common thing na napapalpag is time management, kumbaga. Sometimes ang time na ginsasabot diri natutuman usually late. So, I'm ito common na epic fail for CYF. But hopefully, I think nahinay naman na parang nawawala ang ito na batasan. And hopefully for the future CYF, sana din niyo mag-carry on na ano tawag ito? Naandan. Basta ako na ito yan.
Okay. Bali, epic fail. Sumbayan niya ka ni Josh. So far, talaga naman yung pakumagatan. Epic fail ko is like, more on indoor na lang kita. Hindi na kita nag-outdoor. Like, yung naman na I used to play basketball. Hindi ba kasi mo na like, mas sports bagyapon ba? Amo nagbubusag-busag na hindi ko kay nagbubusag-busag din ako sa sarakan. Yung may itong dati yan. And then, always na, itong kalate, naminto na lang 2:30. Na-start 3:30 na. Start na natin service sa whisper service. Hindi. Tapos, yun. So far, many to mention, pero gimpapayagan na kami ni Boy Boy at Bilang. So,
Damot fail, pero ang epic fail.